Alright, we got an emergency. Muzzleloader season for deer season is next week. My camera's broke. Can't really see what's going on. So we're on the hunt for another camera. So we're gonna ride the motorcycles and check out, see if we can't get us another one. Cutting through the shop here, if anybody don't know. I'm a full-time taxidermist, and this is what I do for a living. It's the work area here. Walking in the dark. Yep. So, come in here. Kristin's already in here. In the motorcycle garage. Yeah, this is our little garage here for the bikes. We got a drive in, drive out type deal. So, but stay tuned. We're gonna
You're just videoing your boob, by the way.
We're gonna go on and get ready to pull out, and we're gonna grab some lunch and just have a Sunday fun day. All right, we checked out the Academy of Sports, and they were right much higher than Cabela's. We're going that way anyway today on the motorcycle, so we're gonna swing in there, check them out, and see what they got. We're just on an adventure today. Are you even more excited now that we're at the Bass Pro Show? No. Cabela's? I am.
Couldn't care less. Mission accomplished.
The new no glow is what I went with. 2-pack. No flash, no glow, no nothing. So give it a try. I've wasted more money on this.
So you made the purchase for your 2 cameras, right?
Right.
Those were kind of pricey, but nothing was as pricey as these Boy Scout popcorn bag for $20.
Well, you know, it's about $1 worth of popcorn. So the Boy Scouts, I feel like, is something I try to help contribute to. I was in the Scouts when I was growing up. That put me outdoors and doing all that kind of stuff. So now we got to figure out how to get this in these packed saddlebags.
You'll figure it out.
All right, popcorn goes in yours.
Take your popcorn. I don't have any room in my bag.
You're gonna have to make one.
It barely fits. Huh?
I said I might have to take this out of the box.
I think you fit it. Maybe not. Did it fit?
Yeah. The tools are in the way in there. You still recording?
Yeah.
Trying to see my struggles on the struggle bus. All right, let's go grab a cheeseburger.
Where'd we land?
We're at the Carolina Ale House. Service is good. I like the Ale House.
It's my second time here. What'd you get?
I got what they call the double smash burger with.
This sounds serious. I need to get closer.
Yeah. With hickory bacon and the sauce on it with lettuce and tomato. The sauce is the sweet baby Ray's.
Yum.
Yum. What did you get?
I got a buffalo chicken sandwich with french fries. And I never had it before, so we'll see how it is.
It's going to be good.
I love buffalo chicken.
I saw that. I started to pick it.
No, you didn't.
I really did. But then I saw that smash burger. So
we'll see. It should be out soon.
Yep.
So I've been admiring from the bar here over to the kitchen. I keep seeing these burgers with the pickles on a stick. And Ken's burger comes out with pickles on a stick.
So do you want to eat my pickles on my stick?
Yeah, because I didn't get pickles on a stick.
I'll give you them pickles on my stick. If that's what you want. You can eat them off my stick.
Okay. So that looks delicious though. Burger, buffalo chicken. I'm waiting for you to take a bite.
Oh, it's going to be a minute.
Oh.
Looks good, don't it? Look like they kind of skimpy on the damn fries, though. It's good. Really good.
Does this thing got brakes on it? No brakes? Show me how you start it.
First, you need a hammer to bait the starter. Give it a little tap.
Well, get out first. I don't know if I trust riding with you right now.
Don't live but once.
Huh?
You don't live but one time. Come on.
Babe, my ass is way bigger than that little bit of room that you're giving me.
I don't want to.
I thought you were telling me to take the four-wheeler from there.
Mission complete. All right, that's the end of this video for now. See you on the next one.